Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Xiaomi phone setting guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys your Xiaomi phone setting guys. One by one, step by step guys, I will tell you in this video. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to check phone device name. First of all guys, we will talk about guys about phone setting. So first of all guys, we will talk about how to check phone device name in our Xiaomi phone guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to check your phone device name. Then guys, after on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. So guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to click on guys about phone setting guys. Then guys, you can see your device name. So we will tap here. So guys, you can see your device name is Xiaomi 11T Pro. And guys, you want to rename your device name. So guys, you can rename from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to check device name in our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching guys.